Hello, my lovely people. Today is a new day the Lord God has made. A brighter day, a joyful day, and I wish you all the best as we start the day. Today it's all about raising voice of Upper East. I am so excited to bring to you from the doorstep of the people of Upper East. Last week, we started and we got to a point. I know you were really excited and you enjoyed. We are also continuing from where we ended, as I have with me my co-host K2. I'm too thrilled and also too excited, enthused to continue this journey with him. With all due respect, let's give him a very warm welcome. Hello, my bro.
Hello. How are you?
I'm fine. How about you?
I'm doing good.
Today it's all about raising voice of Upper East.
All right. Yeah, hello viewers, my beloved people, my family. This is your boy K2, aka K2 Musicas. And today we are here for the same what we did the last time.
Okay.
You know how we always do it. Marvelous and wonderful.
It was very exciting.
Yes.
It was very enjoyable.
Yes, because as we are talking about our tradition of Upper East Kosak Arena, that is Kusasi Arena, Kusasi tradition. The last week we were about Upper East tradition, which is Kosak Arena.
Yes.
So I want to ask whether today are we going back there?
Oh, no. Before then, before we have to watch one music from there.
Okay.
I really enjoyed that. I really enjoyed the music and the videos. How
the one that we watched.
It was very amazing.
Really?
Of course, yes. I love it.
Okay.
Though it's not my tribe, but I was
like
really
the whole
amazed.
thing
Yes.
Okay.
It was really good.
All right.
So let's watch one video, and viewers, we will come back.
The latest one, it's a boy Timorino. The talents for me, yeah, think about Dolomine. Mam say kaba era, da wo tim gana kaba kwera. Ba ni mam yela kaba pogoda. Babore badole kana mam tingene, kana mam tingene. Babore babogo kaba mam tingea, kaba mam tingea. Babore banye kam dige tinge, kamine ni digi. Kaba boye bobe kaba yenkiti, kama wembe bakunyange, bakunyange, bakunyange. Na wembe bakunyange, bakunyange, bakunyange. Kama wembe bakunyange, ay bakunyange, bakunyange, bakunyange. Na wembe bakunyange, bakunyange, bakunyange. The music they do them not like me. Me trying to push but them pull me. I say who that bless no man case. Vampire less demons here. Can come on yanka me da bola so. Baby I me nam na me brain na me soon. Sick I me living to be around car me phone no my charge you be around friend me. No mama tone so no me send timing. No me send timing. Then they keep pricking like a needle. We go step on them like a weevil. Roll over them brother 10/10. 10/10. Come out wimbe bakunyange, bakunyange, bakunyange. Na wimbe bakunyange, bakunyange, bakunyange. Come out wimbe bakunyange, 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 bakunyange. Na wimbe bakunyange. The talents for me, yeah, think about Dolomine. Mam say kaba era, da wo tim gana kaba kwera. Ba ni mam yela kaba pogoda. Babore badole kana mam tingene, kana mam tingene. Babore babogo kaba mam tingea, kaba mam tingea. Babore banye kam dige tinge, kamine ni digi. Kaba boye bobe kaba yenkiti, kama wembe bakunyange, bakunyange, bakunyange. Na wembe bakunyange, bakunyange, bakunyange. Kama wembe bakunyange, ay bakunyange, bakunyange, bakunyange. Na wembe bakunyange, bakunyange, bakunyange.
Wow! As I said, I was really enthused last week by the videos, how the instruments were going, everything was uniform.
Yes, yes.
This video is so marvelous.
Wow.
Last week, I think we talked about the music, the food, and your dresses.
Our dresses,
Yes.
and our marriage and those
yes,
things, yeah.
yes. So today I want us to chip in with your marriage. Like we
Our
are going
marriage.
straight to the marriage.
Wow,
Yes.
wow,
I
wow.
want us to talk about it.
Yes, okay. As you can see, our marriage, we have traditional marriage. You know, before we have this, our religion's marriage. If you come to maybe a Maria or wedding, we have
Okay.
those things, but we have our traditional
So the
marriage.
traditional marriage is there.
Yes.
And we have the
We have normal ones.
normal one.
Yes, which is, you can, maybe Christianity, they do
Okay.
wedding and then,
So
yeah.
yours
So
is not like the court marriage, but it's the tradition.
it's the
and
traditional
court.
marriage and we follow the rules and regulations about it.
Okay.
Yes, yeah. So our marriage is a lot. It's a lot of a tradition.
It entails a lot.
And we in Kusab Arena like this, we deal with cows.
Okay.
We deal with cows. So as we deal with cows and goat and every animal, any animal, fowls and guinea fowls, we deal with those things for our marriage plans.
Okay.
Like the way Christianity they do wedding and those things.
Yes.
Yes. So we deal with cows.
Okay.
When you want to marry somebody's daughter,
Okay.
you make sure that you pay cow.
Okay.
Yeah, some take 4 cows, some 2 can take 3, and then later they will take the 1. But it's
Okay.
4 cows.
Okay. So
Yes,
if I understand what you're trying to say,
Yes.
it's 4 cows for a marriage to come on or for you to be accepted into a family.
yes.
But it depends on how you want to make it done.
No, it's something that have been made from our ancestors.
It's there,
It's there already.
like 4 cows.
4 cows,
Okay.
whether you have
You
it
have
or
it
don't
or
have
not.
it, you need to provide the
You
4
need to
cows
provide.
in Kusau Arena,
Okay.
which is Boku district, every Kusau. Yes, every Kusau. Unless maybe the family they have converted to Islamic.
All right.
When they converted to Islamic, they don't take cow.
Okay.
They use the Islamic rules to marry.
Okay.
But if nobody converted to anything, you have to pay the 4 cows.
Only for the kusas.
Yes.
So,
And I think Upper East,
all right.
but some pay 1.
Okay.
Some pay, we have different tribe
Okay.
from Upper East. It's not only Kusab.
Okay.
You understand? But we are
So
all
it's
in
for all
one.
the upper east, but not mainly for kusas.
Yes, from all the Upper East. But we, the Kusa, we take 4. 4 cows for 1 woman.
Please. I want us to understand this, please.
Yes.
I want us to understand this.
Uh-huh.
So I want to come again.
Uh-huh.
Is it 4 cows for all upper east, or it's for
No,
kusas?
no, for Kusau.
For kusas.
For Kusau. Yes. For Kusau Arena, we take 4 cows for a 1 child.
All
If
right.
maybe I want to marry your daughter,
Okay.
I have to make sure that I'll pay the 4 cows.
All right.
Yes. It's compulsory, whether I like it or not. I must pay the 4 cows. That will make the family also accept that no, they have given their child to you.
So you.
Yes. So that is how you have to obey.
Okay.
The family have to let you, the daughter, obey the husband
Okay.
because they are giving you to the man.
Okay, so K2, is that the reason why Northerners marry so much? They have many wives. Like
Oh.
someone can have 12 wives, 6, 10 wives. Is it because you exchange human for
Cow.
cattle?
No.
Then
It's
what
not.
is it?
It's not because
Tell
of
us
that.
the secret. We really want to know the secret, please.
You know,
we really want to know the secret. Hey, we really want
You
to
know,
know the secret.
in our Kusab Arena, we love farming.
Okay.
We love farming a lot. We have a lot of farming acres. Like, one person can farm like, let's say, 20 acres.
20 acres of land.
Yes.
All right.
So when our fathers, our forefathers, they used to marry a lot is to assist the women for them to help for the work.
So that they can
They can
farm.
farm a lot.
Okay.
You understand? Because if you marry only one woman,
Okay.
it's going to be very hard for you to farm all that acres.
I have
So
now
if
understood. Hey,
so
madness.
yeah, oh no.
Mm.
So is that is how it started from our ancestors.
Okay.
But now, things have changed a little.
Change.
So like let's say white man have brought some machines where they can use to farm.
Yes.
Those days we normally use our hands to farm. So if our fathers marry maybe 4 or 5 women and all of them enter to the farm, they can work equally and there is not going to be a problem.
There won't be any problem.
No fighting, no anything.
All the wives understand each other.
Everybody is going to
no fighting today, tomorrow this.
Oh no,
Are you sure? Hey.
Yeah, so no fighting. You are going to work equally, and you know, our fathers normally build a lot of rooms.
Okay.
So first wife will be on her corridor,
Okay.
and second wife also be on their
Not
corridors.
like they're in the same house.
No.
Everybody has his.
They create
their
walls for them.
own-
Everybody
okay.
have wall.
Okay.
So maybe if you want to talk to my mother, and you have to maybe talk through the wall,
Okay.
and it can happen. You understand?
I understand.
Yes.
Hey, my viewers, are you listening? We are going for Nordner's marriage, yo. This very young. I'm going to marry a Nordner.
Hey.
Yes,
But
How?
can you join 5?
Ah,
Are you sure that you
that's
can
the
join?
problem.
That's the
problem. I'll try to comprehend.
Oh,
I'll try to comprehend.
it's very,
But it's very interesting. You know,
Yes,
it's very interesting.
yes. It's like a,
Very interesting.
when they got married like that, it's like a family. You know, everybody respect. So the elder, the youngest respect the elder, and then any information that comes in from the husband, they will fetch it to the elder, and the elder also share to
Go to the husband.
the,
So
the,
in
not-
that manner.
the remaining wives.
Oh, not like, oh, I'm also wife. I'm also the.
No. You have to go to the elder and
Oh,
then
yes.
come to.
I said I will
the
marry
rest.
a Nordner this year.
Hey,
Hey.
hey.
And I will be the first wife.
Are you sure?
Oh, of course.
First what?
First wife.
Some is so already
Are you
there.
sure?
Yeah. All right, viewers.
This is so interesting.
They are still on it.
This is very interesting. Based on this, and you told me that they marry because of farming. So how does it contribute to farming?
Yes, you know, our farming time, we have a time for farming,
Okay.
which is from March to October to November inside. That is the beginning of March going, that is our farming time, our farming season.
From
And-
March
Yeah, from March going.
to rain.
To-
Or you don't have it to say.
We have
To rain.
to October, and then we enter to November. November is the end of the farming,
Okay.
so that they can send some of the maize to market.
All
You
right.
know, we plant maize and corn. That is our main farming.
Okay.
Yes,
So
that's
your
our-
main crop to farm is the maize.
The
and
maize
corn.
and corn. Yes,
Okay.
that is our farm, our main farming. Yeah. So if we're done with the whole thing,
Yes.
we give it to the wives for them to go to market and sell. Through that, they can get some of the fishes, what they used to buy ingredients to come and cook. So our arena is all about farming.
Farming.
That is the reason why our forefathers
They
normally marry
a
10,
lot and give birth to a lot.
give birth to.
You guys are enjoying the
Uh-huh.
enjoying.
And we love each other too.
We love each other.
It's not like these days, oh,
Changes has come.
changing
Are
have
you
come
sure?
because of, there is, our brain is too open. That is
So okay too.
Mhm.
Your friend is still open for polygamy.
Oh, not that.
Like are you
I
thinking
try
against
to-
it or like
Not
you're
that I
thinking
try
for
to mean is that because those days we don't have any machines to farm, and we need the wives to accompany us to farm.
Okay.
You understand? Now the white man have brought machines which we can use to farm.
Yeah.
So if you love to marry a lot, it depends on you.
Okay.
It's not something that we have cut off
But
the
it's
marriage.
still ongoing.
It's still ongoing. If you want to
Some
marry
people
10,
keep marrying a
yeah, it's all onto you.
lot. Okay, but
Yes.
you're saying nowadays your brain is open.
Our brain is open not to marry a lot again because the system have turned off.
Okay.
Because the economic and those things. Charlie,
Okay.
not easy. So we the youngest that we are coming here, Charlie, we don't want to do that,
Single.
Single.
Okay. You want peace of mind eh?
No easy. Oh.
Hey.
All right.
Oh, I understand. Oh, nice. Oh, my lovely people. Let's go for a quick commercial break and come back. Stay in tune as we enjoy this very program.
Classic Neptune Records.
I am the latest warrior. It's a boy Timorino. Lyrically, your man not be hero. Dagiti babu song, I'm a song. Kaso tikade kabatura batura. Kabayeng bere mo kakelara balada. Malaka mwet babu borema. Be makuyange makuyina ya o. E makulunge maku cross border. Anunda song kangare. Boy anunda song kangina be. You have to give me the mic, make I tell them everybody. Baya Hamza, Baya Hamza, Hamza, Baya Hamza. Baya Hamza, Baya Hamza, Hamza, Baya Hamza, Baya Hamza, Hamza, Baya Hamza, Baya Hamza, Baya Hamza, Hamza, Baya Hamza, Baya Hamza, Hamza. Salma liebe moraka kukale palai lai obutomele. Lili lai likwe pepa kwe lai lai obutomele. Yeah, and the little put a zeta, so can I get a bang in the paper? Come now to the south of Atwara. Oh, yeah, Baya Hamza, Baya Hamza, Baya Hamza, Hamza, Baya Hamza, Baya Hamza, Baya Hamza, Hamza, Baya Hamza, Baya Hamza, Hamza, Baya Hamza, Baya Hamza, Baya Hamza, Baya Hamza. Baya Hamza, Hamza, Manu Gadia Kalajika Kalara, on your song Alazaraba. Baya, to Makalara, Kalining and Boseweda. The time I have all my friends don't know me. Nobody call me, nobody help me. Now they don't pretend to say them love me. For my first time, Suri Jaja. Thank you, Baya Hamza. Thank you, Baya Hamza. Dagiti Babu Songama. That's what the Kadik Kabaturama. Kabayang Beramo Kakelarama. Malaka mwet babu borema. Be makuyange makuyina ya ore makulunge makupras border. Anunda song kangare, boy anunda song kangina be. You have to give me the mic, make I tell them everybody. Baya Hamza, Baya Hamza, Hamza, Baya Hamza, Baya Hamza, Baya Hamza, Hamza, Baya Hamza, Baya Hamza, Hamza, Baya Hamza. Baya Hamza, Baya Hamza, Baya Hamza, Baya Hamza, Hamza.
Classic Neptune Records.
The latest world, it's a boy Timorino. The lines for me, yeah, think about the man. I'm sick of it. That would think I'm a queer. Bani mam yellow kababugra. Babore badole kana mam tingene, kana mam tingene. Babore babugo kabamam tingya, kabamam tingya. Babore banyek.
Welcome back, my lovely people, from this commercial break. As I told you, I said today's program is going to be enjoyable. Hope you also enjoyed. You stayed in tune, you understood, and also learned from today's program about Northern marriage. Those planning of getting married to Northerners, like myself, this very year. Whether you like it or not, I'm going to get married to a Northerner. I'll end here, and my co-host K2 will take the Kusasi segment. Thank you. Don't forget to join and follow us on all our social media handles. Oscar TV GH Hotline, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and also Twitter. Thank you. I am Afia Chama.
MB wana K2 aka K2 Musicals kayit Upper East kusa solo ye men popo nye trepa so horse la yit po ari bi la ka to so holla so kala ka to mi bi la ka to morla te bah to mi bi la se la no ke to mi ba ne so ni ilham ye fu mi be mi ya fu mi se fi la ka hasin ba fu ni henge ka yu men balam so manele kwele la izine la ya ahla manele la na no la fu no go be TV se yi wusa try no best ka check it to be online kala any Oscar TVGH hotline kala any to be the TikTok to be the Instagram to be Twitter to be wusa online kala ka fu ba at wusa be ni wusa the take ko go dawo na izine la we ha kate ti yanga banga te mala wane esie so mamoram nto sum will fine to ven will fine zine wa ye moro naka fu bi to fo etlese kaman o sola te po ari ni te sire kulugila but this time malan tintin sela la tintin se this time wala wura laba mon maham aw mon maham kaman o boy te sola so wana fine so mon sister be pela bankam melga men fi ke lebna ka ye gola na tinse bitu ko sa arena na
The latest one, it's a boy Timorino. The lines for me, yeah, think about the man. Mam say kaba era, da wo tim gana kaba kweda. Ba ni mam yela kaba bogoda. Babore badole kana mam tingene, kana mam tingene. Babore babogo kaba mam tingya, kaba mam tingya. Babore banye kam dige tenge, kamine ni bigiri. Kaba boye bobe kaba yengiti, kama wembe bakuyange, bakuyange, bakuyange. Na wembe bakuyange, bakuyange, bakuyange. Kama wembe bakuyange, ay bakuyange, bakuyange, bakuyange. Na wembe bakuyange, bakuyange, bakuyange. The music I do them not like me. Me trying to push but them pull me. I say who that place no man case. Vampire less demons here. Can't come on yanka me da bola so. Baby I me nam na me brain na me soon. Sick I me living to be around. Call me my phone on my charge you be around friend me. No man me tone so now me start timing. Now me start timing. Then they keep pricking like a needle. We go step on them like a weevil. Roll over them brother 10 over 10. 10 over 10. Come on wimbe bakunyange.
ne popo yele sel ene Oscar TVGH hotline la no ka pele bele yi wala la bana song rete ka to molla la pa ni ku sa awina tini tete popo ndenge yele ye moram sister sie to sie o enem topa ka morzi na yite so te po ari ni te sir kuru yela zina wara arwa ka so eki mbele meneme ka te tengenem sister yele kan po ka o ya bor ko mi nu ke mo ko makata songa ni tike ko yanga do onu ko yebi elekate tike la tinton sister ewila
Yes, no me wala.
na fibi ka mbele mo huyure
Bale mayora abanga safia. Atita mim kama
malebna ko sabi ma lebna tamala sile lebna ka sile lebna tomorrow so sieka le ene tumpele watu ene Upper East Reason Voice of Upper East Reason Voice of Upper East la kon do on bolga mo wet to box so musa to bore yet malamanite bombala kata manbeti ti wonga ka nirbi nyambang ka bangla na tinsia ka zina wo so kata mota ene te po arib ni te sir kuluka yele kata mon la zina wa ka bonkara ka mbo hala ene fo ya nyeka budum par do ona no bu pok ka ona bu pok ro abi la ku yuwe ka babata ba ko fo tintin yele bu pok me bu pusun wele fine ka bo oye fo mod bibi ye o mod bi ka bo oye ka fu bi la oba lebe ye oba o zi ba wengo la ka mambo mbo bangi bo tot ha bon kanga bi ko tunu da roti bi lim ha tran te ba nam da do atala te da ba yele wele zora te bon bam ye ko sage zora la ene arwa fi ka ba pe ka timpe to ala ene zora te da ba nyetle wele ama bala enka this time baka bam nam ita kamam fu ma lewe la kam boy ngohem ya nzusi elbe la bi La de Emma boy.
Fom pia si wali ane sira. Ama fia go se te yanam sangala ne tanam sangala den kan yin. Na ti mo pia si ba kana sana ne te yele modern Ghana.
Modern
Ka fia
Ghana.
go se modern Ghana na kana tiake yela bergo. Fia go se te yanam sangala. Sal da wumba. Ba da wum sa. To samya da yele digin ko da yi ba ku yi da. To samya yele zinin. Una zin ama nan na. Tinam nan na bisa yin kinala. To samya to yele da ken kwela. Tabira yo yire ni na kenna. Bozugo. Ka wani ba kusa na te salaga ka ta kudira.
Okay.
Ti ya di ni salaga. Dina ana bon kana na songote. Na ana bon kana na ku kene ka ti man bon bani. Ka ti man zina yo ma. Te gosu kar an life. Ama da ana bon de no da kene te belen po. Nka ti wa ko sak so git.
Hey. Yo me ya. Ye sala kalinke modern Ghana. Kambo me ye kabima min kabima mbu. Fo baba ya pia ka fo me pia fa ya ba saka ke mota ba kin politi. Bona bomba na ma baska. Aro yori la be. Ka mam gosale ye bunkan la am pia wo. Mam no gosale se mam gosale bunkan la am pia wo. Da ani bunkan ka fo baba ne do afuna. Ona do afuna. Ka bo palie fo baba ya yele fo zinin ka fo zinin da. Dinna da ane Ghana modern Ghana la to pa me kina ni ne be da ane bunkan ka ba approve fo baba ya piara for sake.
For me modern Ghana la. Mrala kena karbisi fia pa yum pinani. Fone ange maden ka fo board. Fia pa yum pinani da. So ya yel fu malim si ka pa fo yam. Ko maden ko so weta. Fon yam ban si la ka fo man.
Okay.
Ama yum pokorga. Ba fia bo fon de poa morbis minga. Fo sam ya yel fu man ma. Fo ko kes fo bala no rebozugo. De la te sira yete ya na manete sam na ma bandu atile zuga. Ba pia ka ti diet ya ku die ba no pia ko ka ba ya yele ti no. Da ana bonde na dolete ka bonde na damete dinzu katida dolete yana nora kaman bonde na ama nan na mrala yonkena ye sofa na yanga maden ko bol ya sa pa yum pine ni la den nan pes ya kate zina bisa yum man bonde na kataman
Fo me ya pa wo me yako ye modern Ghana ne kina la de kina tisneti bon kanaka bi ni na yango no comment botet o ya nyere yuma pini ani on yange no ko men botet o men ne yange no ko doze ali on yange mala wana ama to nam ne te da dola to mo seba ka mo yu pisi ni sel kama ka pele sinka kele sel baba nam ye to so na la da kina pale ba te so ye bi ya yin pa yu pini ni on yange gba ne daw ka do ka fo ya do ne daw la de ku yuwe ka lemba staba kana ane yu pini ni ka fo nye fo menga fo lenzeni yelelen kinga tis fo baba ye mbaba man do abi prantam pa man do abi ka la anam yo ne pala kam yim do abi da men do ale mo de lebida timenga na titinsi temeng timenga na titinsi temeng mam wum ye fo gerge apa east miss mampet ka ana bon kana ka fo join it fo ne gerge de nila fo mo ne mod bon seba ye fo na ne noke song ko funana no sal bi bal ban dotela ka bani nyang zin ka tis bangi no futam ya ba pai fu no poka ko futam ya ba pai fu no daw da ana fu sisi fu mek because bunda sangana kurumbeni sangana de kurumbeni kim de ka wo de na tin ba ko kin ka ba se fu papa kin na de pedin do atin dunia na kurumbeni la ama ti ya pa ma te men ka ane adwa ka fu kin ti sala fu sabo so wana fine ye fu le ala oh, mama bisi yinga. Oh, mama bi de kon. Daw mi kan ye mama bisi yinga. Fo ya sak fo kina katebe. So fo pele modern Ghana la baska de kine la. Modern Ghana da de kine la. De sami bisla be de man de bisla.
Fia was say on me ba yesira modern Ghana la kenala de sami bis bergo. Bozu ot yanam sangala. Fia da abigi duna. Ka abi ka mo yum pina ayimenga ka ye fu sit be fu suwa ka bawro fu kulu minga ba tisi suri fu kulu ba ko shaka fu zini fu sami ka yi kenga las na daw kala le mor dianda nkena ko izakana den na fu ifu mal awle fu ba ba de fe ka nyesen be ka na se be ka germa be ba ko tisur ka fi kenna manden ka fu mana ka lebda ama mo ringa na la kana bisi biya pa yum pina ni ona yanga maden ku yam ba wosala de kena sami yela bergo den nam pes ka fia yi bizina do abi na bis yun do abis wala so ko be woni yumpi na ayinga kame do abi woni anu bi kame do obitran ka fia go se ti anam sanga la fia kenga la san daw yi fono ondua ka o ka fese da ka pa mal fu mama bi kana ba pulu tan pin de be la bereka
de be
so na ma fia go se ti ko sak solo no ko kateken apa is gana solo ma ti ai ti gos biban ka ba do aba ka ba mon manam ka mo sam na ma bazuya kana sana bu ni single parenting de ma anu bonna ni mo dan ken do araba sana because oya ken do amor ken fa ko ya yere fu biyo
dana sra
fu bi
king na ma bun bet kina
ka bai bo i ba me pudu muru bi par komre
dana sra
fu ko ya yere on ken do ken la zuru fu go so fu go so kalen go so fu ya nga ya
dana sra
kala bonde ni mo dan ken na tsere do araba nti mo len gana la ken la unde de same la belo
to kusa ya pu mu be ya bi malebna ona piara ma ka ada ane bun kana war poa ko o meng ne zini gosla o gosie bun kana ka modern gana da de pusongara de baska bisla de galle ba ya yeso galle ya o galle ya misi o kurum o yelela gene ba playing a piara yele yasa and then ka bun kan me atina ma ko ya lebne sigi o lele sigri o burle lina kala mod bun kan adam ka yo kinge o kinge do bi kina ka bile ka ba kala mani bi kanga o ka gbinde so the penalty to modern gana la to ko sak bisla to do ne le ka pon so to pasar fo ya ine velle pe mo men ka mo fo velle fine mo na ki sanga ya atapa fo no so ton gen taba kala mon malasem ka yedi taba ka yanga do abis ka ba do so da fon ko ti don ye bi ka bi do le goba ka bi kanga do le di fa ye le gab ka kin pe ye mam ye aye mam po ni ya because ya pa tele ba ada kon zima ana kon and then zima kon la me person ra so tun ko sa ngwalga men ka lebna ka ti mora ti son se finye ti son kara ane o menga mila o len king te gerke miss man pid fuma kana mi miss man pid ti mana da yi musi yu musa kara ane bok na amni choose bo pok ko zen yo ane miss man pid kara ana bo pa kana na mod zu put fine dar piat ka sa kilisit kan nokora da zamaset biogila ti no mere ka lebna amama ko le yeto fiye fu gos Oscar GH Oscar TV GH hotline Oscar GH TV Oscar TV GH hotline bezi usa fo ya kurun tab ka pata bangala fine kele me ye fo na bangala ka go to be dossier usa to ben online usa zi usa ka fo nyete to be nia to din mere ka lebna.
Hello my lovely people, I am Afia Chama. Watch me Okumawu TV as I bring you a unique program named Brazen Voice of Upper East. Let's amplify the spirit of Upper East by promoting its rich culture, captivating entertainment, its soulful music, and also its tradition. Join the movement as we showcase the tradition and entertainment of the people of Upper East. This program, watch us every Tuesday, 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. and there will be a repeat on Saturday, 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. Raising Voice of Upper East, celebrating Northern tradition and its rich culture.
Kusa yemen bi wana K2 aka K2 Musicas kalene Raising Voice of Upper East Raising Voice of Upper East ala ta ku ko yele katibe kwelewa kate sangala wana sangala Tuesday la ene 3 to 4 in the afternoon 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock p.m. in the afternoon every Tuesday that will Tuesday will ka to playback Saturday 10 to 11 every Saturday kalben Kumawu TV home island go ne lebene all the online and Oscar TV GH hotline kalben we see go for ya salon me be Facebook go then Oscar TV GH hotline for ale be TikTok and anyway no so Upper East Raising Voice of Upper East la ta ko kwela da sangala na pengo men kada ba ka TV de tene Kumawood to na la funa patware modern Ghana la samme la bergula yidite tibudun palo ne tibi pum palo gida la mango kala ene bon kaneka la marcel la ke wala kon sama pala be mutin kala ebo
sera de samia kame male la bergo dia você de circulo belen pogona zikan kar samala kan ponden pia bisa ti poasa taba ne ti nakim nama ndo sosiani ndi kwa ka ndua bis ka po morsam nama ama fia go zikan ka modern gana na mekina nsong circle pon ane nana de pula woni yum pokorga po samton ndi so sam be so ton kina kuati fo sambe o masi ti fo duara kare paba ya kabay man no kom za mbiga zala te sagala sirku wakat kana bila bora o ko boru una kuluso ko mo kete mo ama mo den ga la me kene niti ni fa ani bila men lega ngam ono borso mbangi man nin kan so biya de ta ta ne ngizi ka sumasum kena katianga dua barka bis kabila men yu na mor kene bis sam na ma man su dua wana kam boru kulu kala ana bonde ne ka duare ba mina die ma bonde ne na ba male ka burumi nga mekena nuko kwa kaba bene taba ko sumasa kena ti agos wakat kana modern gana na deme sumya
to ya ba wo mebe ye modern gana la de song ya belosia ka po song belosia lo kana ke de song ana tinam men ba ya ye fukim magban crispy funu ko yele fu baba ye funu kene gban crispy le to kene ngi gar ka fana kina kala pale le pele ana crispy le no ka fun kene gban da ane tinam modern gana ne tis de palo yi tinyanga ma tinam ne bot sella de pip ti de palo ye tinam ya papa da dare ti pele mala mele because of tinye tinu bot sel da ane ti kure yara nokala ala so modern gana ne kene la de songote ti pa di pani ti da ze pape kada po yi kusa arena apa is arena ba usa wala ton po bor fo ka fo ze opa yi nok ti na mala ko kina e bo be fo san kala afu kwa de pele na tele de la so meton le mor fo sam ka fu ye le man bu mo degree mor mbi o ya to zo fu kine nok de play la baska bi le men nok potent ono bot sel ka nok dena a modern gana da kina kala ane bi wo mot tam kana ko na yang nok bo sira ko ona yang nok di kwa ya bangi ona yang morele and then kana onoke so the crack song lucia kalen sam lucia because of tinam to ba powumma tinam puru so ya to ba powumma atopo wumma dimma dot bis kabas kalen king kalen do kabas atopo wum dinga da ana tipin kabas ka tuba and then ka timiz yanga zam yanam tibana no da man sella kan ti dole la soya kala yanga somati ka so yanga nyosi ka sunkum ka so yanga nyo paso de kala engbon sum tisile so sister puso ko baraka pa ne fone kina pa te pal sel bil fiwa titizina wa dara wa so fun kana go titulo sia usa te kwelen bele nia to le bepele no da fa ka finyete fo kinge te contest seman piu ka seman piu ka de ka to usa mi seman piu na asiela tinamba ne be akra ne kuma asene so lo musa de ka te za usa mi seman piu na asiela seman piu mi seman piu ka te le ka te za usa mi ya so seman piu ka de abo miss man piu le ana miss man piu bo de abo
ya ko se to ko sak so ma ya nam sangala bara morum mala kan ka man kai yo musa ba ya kina boro tikina kina nala ka an ba ponda ka basku mutesti ya nam bana pompi nden tuna
danisa
nti ba ba mala se ba ponda bana base dam nama ka konrama ansana kare dara mina pala bana piso fana piso samanan pis tinga gil kazika anyai kada darian pai kada ane nasa wala spina yila basu pitanda katete de saman pira te de daria pala na musa na yina kusak solo fana fana busamo buru wusa kana be kusak solo musa na lasi yina ni ba yina pa bok na asigir abura asoka the second kanzi unangona yizu kaba nok nase intes tiana bana indetuna kane ba bosete tinamba na nyanga ntia go saman pidi ana ko saman makane da kompe
okay
ati duna pai kana ko mbere ko
then ani bun kana abun sun pawo then ya be wusa fa ya be no kuma asu fo be ne akra fo be ne zi wusa da ana fo kwengo fo men kada da dia pa ka fo kin ka gos malabana asemo so funa gos ka bane da winda bane da dila ka da ani miss man pit ka o da dila so da dia ko se so da dia
ne dia
okay So banada dela fungos ba banada dela ba nyebo beleni ka fungosi ye de abun kane abun sompa ka fumu na ko fumenga kwensla so fun banada dela fungos ba kala wila this time
Fia was a by Miss Samampe and Kusak.
Mm.
The big seal le bonde ne kafana man ka so did you.
Wow.
Ba for many ako did you, ka so did you. Yana bonde na sum man na phone.
Okay.
Be Kusak solo.
Mm.
The Fia was Miss Samampe Katamana. Fia cannot Yana bonde ne. Budi man mabane katara man. Kanana. Kata bergule zi. Kata pule mana. Fia cannot Yana bonde ne katana levinyang. Nkinga zamsade mbus pen na mugose. Tiana meda mana. Bara mana wala.
Okay.
Diara na geng bara wara wala. Nana tana mi wara dance. Ama tiana da wara geng. Kawa gogi. Kawato. Bara wara ba timsiri wala. Diana bonde no morte lepsiri nyang katikenga zams. Bumba na katiana mda mana. Fia bon nok dene indigel. Fia gos miss saman pira wala. Diana bonde ne kafana iwala. Zikan ka fiyita ko sa solo mafumito mo ko sa lugar na si
yes
tuninya na gwabno natin
yes
ana bonde ne kafuna gosoy zikan ka fiyita tinkan ka fumbela wona mana o mayiti pusuk
okay
manna gose pusuk solo ma bo be pusuk solo ma ana bonde ne ana dang bon ntes pusuk dem
yes
kamana malemma ya wen mesa mampira bo kamana ya ngama sum pusuk solo dezu kamana malemma kena zimzien me sama pida kaya ngam bunkana tis pusuk solo bozugo siel fa moro de suya se fu dole suzu kaya ampa dezu kamana mala makina zien yem e wala fa bos pusuk solo be ko sa solo gilu sa mo yela bergo bana dama ko sa
ya resira
ka funya me yemana mala manzizina kwela zongon kwela mani nin kana kin sa kuru kin e pa final ya zamas Wadwas
na asiya
kafumi agos bangar kana kaman pan sukuru na nya imno bangara kar amanu ko kombon ko songa man ben zina bele moi ko sagiela bozu kamna mpam bangar kana ka ko poro kan paso bia kana be ko sag solo denzu kamana mala me kana zien mesa man pe yem represent pusuk dim kana zien pusuk no bazu yem metis ko sag solo bangar kan kama memo ntese ba nkato wa yel balis bani kaba face it nkato wa sirkuluga ate ponde nympia
sira
so din bonde ne kama ke misa mapira denela
wow
yes
hey ya umeko ya the Quran bun kana a very nasari very special the Quran bun kana a malasim afu ya wo metem malebe na pia ko piala o more bon zutu ta kanai funi yo kuzi wala finila moro zutu ta kanai moro kurno ki son kusa so musa so pusi dem kun kana kurun go to video la kun kana kun go to video la be Oscar TVGH hotline Oscar TVGH hotline kun kana kun go to le be zi musa the sister la na malebe na o you pusi kazian miss man pit Kamisima Peter or more bon kana bote kana be obu ozu pur boro no ke song pusuk solo ne box solo ko sak solo te poso fuzo ne fo pia kana ka fo mora kara ala bon sum pa tisko sakala ana ta angati ni ki kayanga song ke ka bon kana ka fo mora fo bote boro fo mala lela kana hanga tina so man bore fo ya fo mot sosbo ko fo more la haba kana ye fo no ko tis fo fans ba ne gotofo nana wa be lucy usa fo pala ba well kana ka bani yang nyafka follow kana ba song kana ka ba modi ba song of la ka for yang king win to yellow for king lose or for king win wanga yako
okay
no kom tisba kika so wo
there was all media channel there king TikTok there search abanga Safiat Umar be Facebook ama fia le TikTok na tita mim ka you bim queen you celebrating midwife ka fia go say mbeni zina solo ye miel ko sa gilwusa ko sa lugan nasila nana ne ba kwa nana ne ba nya do busa yemana malema lia de ko sa samampi nama
wow
kayim zin no bazu zina yem belmiya yiko de yina ya mal misiru kan no ko ne ya phone nama vote ne ntis mana malema kama mo bun son pa yem tes ko sa solo nkata wati sirkulu suba ne kati tapa ndole nkunsire daba yiwa ndi kwa nduar bees hapo gosor ba kana sana buni single parenting har ana bun kana ndamreti ni ti tam ete piarie ba boro ba e wala ba sumu bees ka ba kin school kana sana buni women empowerment kafanya punya nga gosor for men tutu an ka kenga no po so kan zuka for $5 kaya nga pam that kind of empowerment nti fia boro for witness ma so kana me sama pira da vote ko da yayina mu kuma kaya nga vote tisinin da ya pai manafon to se ya la sanina na bixi so kan zu katina dollars morin gana la kena amma mannan malem mana bixi so kan zu ka manafon no ko sa so lu gil na dollars kaya nga ma bonde na nkati wati su grupo ka soda take nga no po ntisinin kan ko bora be ono po sanga kan ko bora kana sana boni unwanted pregnancy mana malema pam experience belgo be duam pogon wona mapon dan year sima mana student midwife be yeji NMTC be no final year so the daria pai mana enam ya last abanina na share experience kan kamurusa su kan katana dollars kayanga sonko sa dena pon sama gara su kan katana dollars kayanga manade bible if biya nyeni fo no bazu fuku figida fu piedi te ban pon sama gara dena cost su kan katana dollars kayanga marka kada sama base bana nan pusana te mena go sala kan katana sala tisiba ni su bana katana no kotisiba ka ba dollars ka bomba na katapon da piara kada la e mbe usa so yes
ya wume ya o to wume ya usa solo malebena opia fine kapya kokoro mora marasim de pinde bote po ana bon kana katana na ngazin kalite support ka song ka dozer ka baska ko sa net not ka pais ka tiyanga nya youth ka ayu sun ka aro alubas la maga to kokoro mora e ligida de ko tumala so upun pass ni ida kama bote kana yeba no ka song live back to rufla la na tipengete men ka supporto we fans la namba na gutusa ye pengune men ka data ya pa ka te do to no bazu zen songo ko yanga kina lebe to pa te pa pal kal ana misman pi pa pala ko na mo som se songa ko song ka ko sa yango do zero no bazu so na waya bambode to no ko la zel peleni ka pelen guri to le mor fo lebena yes because to le mor lebena miss malebena apunti sa yoto miss malebena this no ko te soska zel pela to le mor fo lebena yes so zina wa mambo ti fo no mor fo to akana ka fifo fo no ko yini dunia usa fo na to am ka baska ba para na no sosia ka do so tente sa
mpusia yiga ni mpuso bane ni sanga ngositi ni shola pili de kina pa de nara na mpuso mtita connected bokna na ba asigil aburak azaka the second kalazi unangwana yi miala yini na mpuso mtita connected na banda ko sa solo musa kusa logan na sila mpuso mtita connected pusudna na ba tambis ba kunya ke kwa na no ngandolo yem posiri awusa ni asanga kan ke yanga pa mo gosman malema zina ni tangala ni ayi ni na men posum total me connected past queens bani dan wene last year miss samapi nkate wa first runner up second runner up ni wena la menga ni pa effort baramo pa
okay
tiba deserve abonde ka mana fumi agose ba banda kina nzi miss samapi bara yela ti yela bergo iba yade ana bunkan ka bana ma Kafia was on that palm second runner up first runner up Queen Faiza music solo ma osida yele ti oyade ana bonde no kuboro song kwambales ba ne sukuru ka mpanyanga da bukus ni maset na the pens and ma kare ani school ken ete ane to awote se bala sira o mese the first runner up osir malia fia king agole primary school Gozensen all the primary schools within Boxolo or visit only half of them and supply over 500 exercise books and over 450 pencils and then pens erasers and other things one category ko sa solo ma the board celia e de kina katusa ndiri
Ndile yo.
nti sister Faiza first runner up ma CLB Citila the bizeli oyanya na kintu na yana ma bonde ne gatala
Okay.
ozigo pem na molo wa piade yiso ya yifi kaputam fere
Oya tinye bero on the latest.
nti fia was the first runner up Queen Faiza lenzi ne Miss Upper East beduna
Oh, okay.
Malen ka ko sak solo mane
Oh,
and
okay.
the whole Upper East
The whole Upper
dem
East.
look bolga zebil bok pusu garu timpan gagwirin de ko no ko sak solo mun katatin bolga wusa the whole Upper East usala
Wow.
uzenia Miss Upper East
Okay.
nti nosos ena bana ko sere ko sak solo na ne ya ndolo mi apwa na wusa yiko de ya yina ba mem ko de na puyina yiko de ya yina ina no ko ye phone na ma ndaile ne ntisono kunyanga kintun ka Queen Faiza ya kintun usak solo to sana kintun to sana de rinyo
Wow.
posia
The pussy is zo. Kusau. The kure analam you takwelem zene K2 aka K2 Musicas. Kakwela ane raising voice of Upper East, raising voice of Upper East. Allah taba kukuya dina atimot the sister malebena kina ye okina pensi tuzuka ono mo lahaba se ze kusab arena kinala omora teste katipa mele kalas goes to na ningi de sef kala kington teste ti kurumbere kwela da fa funo go teste zinse wusa Oscar TGH hotline be TikTok, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, ni YouTube wusa lo se ka fogotete ni TV ni wusa fo ya gotete pele mo men ka pele gotete la kati kurumbere pele ni da fa ti pele ni to body to basket Upper East Kington kusa Kington zina da dias to the level limpes ya zuyas kale mo so kina nita malama kina tisne nita yuma me kata mora kina tisya mpuse zozo ya mempo mi ya bila bana nam no mpuse zozo